Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. We're on a bathroom first fix today. Now this has already been all stripped out, as you can see, so it saves us a lot of work. What we've got to do is we've got to sort this bath waste out, because currently there's no fall on it, it's just sat on these other pipes. Now two options with this: we're either going to try and get it in that void behind there, or this floor's being replaced anyway, so you might try and get it under the floor. We've got toilet going back more or less where it is, pedestal basin over there, new radiator. We've got this tower rail here is being replaced as well, so I might bring them pipes out of the wall, not sure yet. We've got all the stuff on site, customers supplied all the stuff. We've got electric shower going on there. Sparky needs to get his feed in, because that's nothing to do with us, we just need to get a cold main up to there. Bath going back in here, sort the waste out. Not sure where the basin waste is, but either way, basin one will be easy enough to pick up anyway. I'm not sure where that went actually, the basin one. That was the old toilet overflow, we won't be needing that again. So yeah, we'll look at getting a waste in anyway for the basin, it's not an issue. It must have had one, I don't know where it's gone. You're seeing this for the first time, the same as I am. Yeah, toilet back there, that's pretty much it really. So yeah, we'll get this floor up, we'll have a look at this bath waste and we'll start to get some pipes in. We'll get the heating drain down. The house is not lived in anyway, so we can leave the heating drain down. What do you reckon, Eddie? It should be alright this one, shouldn't it? Yeah. That was the basin waste one. Should be able to go back into there. Hopefully we can get solvent. Where's the bath one going?
This that elbow one.
Yeah. It's bossed onto there. If we can't get back into that, we're gonna have to use push fit and then convert it back to solvent. Oh, we're not gonna be able to go because it's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Not a lot of space there, is there?
No.
It's almost looking the wrong. We'll get this floor up. And I'll have a look if we can get into that soil pipe any other way, and potentially look at capping this one off, Aidan. Yeah. And then putting another boss down there. Aidan's getting the heating drain down and all the services isolated. Let's have a quick look at this waste. I don't know what my plan is here yet. Oh, blimey. These two 28 ones here are the gravity flow and return to the cylinder, so we can't really alter them. That's Aidan draining the heating. It sounded like water running. See how it's all gone funny in the bottom because it's not falling. I think I might have disturbed that soil pipe joint there. They don't normally leak, they don't they? That's not a good start. It started dripping out of that. That's not very good, is it? There shouldn't even be water sat in that. I've only wiggled it. Oh dear. Only wiggled that pipe out, it started leaking on that joint there. Ah. That's not good news, is it? That's not very good, Aidan. Can't even pull that out because that noggin's there. I don't know how they got it in. Yeah, we'll have to change that joint, we can't leave it. Right. But it might not be a bad thing because then we can get, because we're not going to get the drill in there to get a boss looking the right way anyway.
Right.
Everything's so tight in that corner. What I'm thinking is just cut that there, pull that section out. I should have a bit of soil pipe in the van. We can with a boss. I've probably got a boss in the van as well, or a boss socket, and then bring that through, and then we'll just drill them through.
Yeah.
The joist police will be at me, but we can go We can drill a quarter into that as long as we're so far away on the span. So as long as we're over here somewhere, we should be able to drill a quarter in it and just move it up. I think that's what we're going to do. And then we'll use solvent, and then we'll, yeah, I think that's what we'll do. We just alter that, because that soil pipe joint there is leaking anyway. As soon as I started wiggling it, it started peeing out, so we can't leave that like that. And it's on a push fit joint there, so hopefully we can get it out from that stack. Pull that one out. New piece of pipe, new boss, bring it across, job done. Don't think that'll drop, will it? Should be alright. I'll tell you what, that one that's leaking, it's not even pushed on all the way.
Is it not?
No, it wasn't even on. Oh, you bastard!
Does that smell of poo?
That hurt. That didn't hurt. The rotten bugger just put a screwdriver down my ass crack. That is workplace bullying. Hey, I'll get you back.
Oh, you will.
You know, I'm not that mean, Aidan. Hopefully I've got some soil pipe in the van. That fitting there wasn't even pushed in. Is it not unsweating?
Yeah, I fell. But it's glowing.
New boss, Aidan, new boss.
Flux in the van, isn't it?
Oh, we used the wrong bit here. That flux is here, mate.
Oh, yeah, it's right there, so I'll use
I've
this
got a
one.
new bit. I've got a new bit. Yeah, I think it would be better just to renew that stack up from that point then, won't it? We'll put a new T in that in. I think it'd be better. Do what we can. Whoa. That just snapped my drill bit, that did. Why do they always snap on? That centre bit is now broken as well. And
How do you manage it?
so now it just snapped. But it nearly took my thumb off there, so it actually looked. I think it came ridiculously close to hitting my thumb, so. Give it a bit of a key. The weather's absolutely appalling. What are we on? June the
7th.
8th. June the 8th today. And it's chucking it down. People are going to moan at me for using every colour here, but look.
Find out a bit, won't I?
Aidan's getting the feed in for the new electric shower. That'll all be under the bath anyway. Shower's going up that wall. Just got to look at getting this through here now. So we've got that boss slightly angled up, and then I'll just have to drill through these. We're at a quite weird angle now. How did that pipe even go in there before? Because there's no space, was there? That was really tight. Trying to break the angles.
6 beds from the wall, it's only a small wall. Yeah. And the 2 lads opposite him, one of them will tell you he's the fellow who got mowed down by the lad of the 125. Yeah. And the other lad's quite a bit younger. He's just got half his leg amputated. I didn't ask why, but whether it's to do with his diabetes, because he's got quite bad diabetes. And on his bed and his blood sugar is up and down like a start pants, right? And it just brings up the bed. Well, I guess it must be, because it was alright once, and then all of a sudden they said everything went really woozy, he was chomping on the jammed over. They said, I'll be there in a minute, I'll be back in a minute in the room, right?
Aidan's getting this radiator set up. Because the bath is going to have a gap at the end of about 30mm, we're going to line this wall through. So the plan is to keep these pipes tight to this stud in, and then we're just going to bring them out. So rather than bring them out the floor, they'll be coming out the wall. I think it'll look a lot more aesthetically pleasing. And then we should be able to do the same with the tower. I'll bring them out the wall as well. So everything is, you know, looks like it's floating. I always think they look better coming out the wall in bathrooms. Just personal preference. We've got that radiator on site. Pipe sensors at 830. And we're going to be insulating this wall as well. I think it's going to be a lot better than leaving a little step, do you, at the end of the bath?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Should be fine. We'll just literally line that wall out.
Why have they crossed those over?
I don't. It's because the old radiator valve was flow sensitive.
Just want to just cut it and bring them.
Yeah, I don't know why they did. I looked at that.
Just make it a little.
Literally cut them back off over there and bring them back through, and put some hair felt on the joist then as well.
Yeah. So you say come through. Is that all mouse dropping?
I think so. I'm still on my waste pipe. Aidan's flying. The toilet and that, what we're thinking, we can bring that through after, because you can get into that roof space bit over there. Yeah. So once we get the toilet on site, yeah. The basin ones we can bring through because they're on a ped. And then once this is all boarded out and everything, we can get the bath in then. But not today. We just wanted to get done in the floors really.
Don't you fucking
It's only because you did it to me.
Yeah, but.
Try and get some timber in this wall for this tower as well. Are we anywhere near? What that must be. At least it's high, not low. I thought I measured that. Don't know what's happened there. Got to be a bit closer than that. Timber, we're going timber. I'll just put it on the wrong way. Yes, that's a bit better. Otherwise, we're going to have fun when we come to fix that tower, don't we? Brand new. What a load of old crap that is.
Oh, knocked over anyway.
I've got the tower out there, so I'm just going to work out where the brackets are going there, like the ones that are fixed at the back. So I'll get some timber. I'll probably do this on corner valves, and I'll just put some noggins in, because when I come back I'll be able to get good fixings then. And that's pretty much all it's done. I might just cut them hot and colds off and then wait for the pedestal to come through, to come on site, and then I can bring everything out to the right place then. But at least they can get all the flooring and everything put down, all the walls and everything sorted. I've not brought that shower one out because I'm not sure where to bring that yet, but Sparky's not got his cable in. But I'll have a look at that in a minute, but we are getting there. We've only been here, what, we've been here 3.5 hours, Aiden? 4 hours?
Yeah, not long.
Not long, not too bad.
We started to have gone 10.
No, we didn't get here till after 10, it's only 1:30.
Before, and it's like they keep.
Yeah, you ask
Batting this
people
out,
to do
yeah,
it.
and they
You're
don't.
better off just doing it yourself, because at least then you know you're going to get a fix in. I know you can get like plasterboard fixings and bulldog fixings and stuff like that now, but can't beat timber, can you? This one here we'll be able to get behind if we need to put fixings in for that pedestal. Pedestal basins isn't too bad because the weight's actually sat on the floor. The only other one we might... Oh, they're going to ply line that wall out for us. That'll be fine. And we're just going to have to watch them parts and fit them bottom brackets in. Sweet, no worries, that's fine. They're in, aren't they? Beautiful, happy with that. Right, we're going to get filled up. I'm just going to put some valves on them basin pipework and we're going to get filled up then. Cap these heating pipes off, and then I think they're going to do the floor and the boarding or something. It all needs boarding before we can get the bath in. I'll tell them to leave it. The bath is 1600 but it's wider.
Oh God,
So I'll tell them to do it, like leave us a 1605 gap, I think. And then if the wall's not quite squarish, you should still be able to put it in. And then we'll panto around the outside or flat around the outside, drop the bath in, and then we'll come back and do the second fix once it's all tiled then. I mean, if that was on the hot, I know it wasn't, but that would have been squeaking all over, wouldn't it? The copper is now integral to the wood. I brought my hoover up so I can hoover up all the in between the joists as well. I hate leaving crap in between. It's a pet hate of mine.
It's not, you normally just sweep it under.
Well, yeah.
I say it for the camera.
No, it is genuinely when you sweep up under the floor, it's a pet hate of mine. Aiden's just switched the water back on. So I'll let you know if you've got any leaks, but... And that pretty much concludes another episode. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know why I didn't film any more of that, but there was no leaks and it's all ready for the flooring to go down now. They're going to get all the walls insulated and all plasterboarded, and then we'll be back to put the bath in. I've actually bought a new mascot for the van. I don't know if you noticed him. I was going to actually call him Travis Perkins because they're a bit dear, but I'm happy for you guys to name him. I think the channel was really lacking a mascot. So yeah, I picked him up for £1. I thought that was an absolute bargain. I've had to take all my stuff out the back to get his arse ending though. So yeah, we're going to do a name the mascot thing. If anybody can think of a good name, it will be there forever now, I think. It might disappear over the next few weeks, just the order I put the videos out. I'm going on holiday in a couple of weeks, so I'm trying to schedule the videos in. But yeah, if anybody can come up with a good name, I'll make a little tag up for him and we'll hang it there. He can't be Rudolph. It could be one of the reindeers, but a brown-nosed one. He couldn't stop as fast as the others. So yeah, name the mascot. Hopefully you'll enjoy this episode. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you all next time. Get the badge. Oh, do you like him? Not bothered here. I thought you'd like that.